This is our Click Automation Direct PLC that has the prior program that is in my website there. We use this type of setup for training on small AC drives and process inputs. So notice alongside is LEDs, it's true or false. If they're on, it's true. If they're off, it's false. So here's my start input. Notice the little light there, LED, that's an input. It went green. That goes into a timer which will time for 30 seconds. Then you'll see the outputs down here change, which command the drive to start and ramp to a given speed. So it'll be 30 seconds after and so it now gets up to speed. At a later date or another program will show the internal programming on this drive. So the reference comes from this module, which now would be 60 hertz or full motor speed, nameplate speed. And so this is the input that it's currently following. And your programming, you can add timing, how long it takes to get from 0 to 60, if you give it a start or a stop. Those are different ramp times, so it's things that you need to program into the drive. When I turn this off, you'll notice that it goes away, but it doesn't instantly go to 0 speed. It'll go whatever the program time is. So it's going to ramp from 60 hertz to 0, and that's your input. Now if we turn the input back on, since that input is from the PLC, it immediately starts timing, but internally it won't turn on that output until that 30 seconds has passed. And you'll notice that the output LEDs go true, which are wired into the drive. Once they're wired into the drive, then that start input goes true. Notice now there's 3 outputs on, even though I'm only taking 1 or 2 of them into the drive, start and stop. So now it's running the 60 hertz. If I turn it off, you'll see that those outputs go away immediately and the input goes away, but the drive ramps back down. So it went back to default and now it ramps back to 0. So those are things that you program when you replace a drive. If you have no programming or have no idea what to program, there is by default some number in there, and generally it's not what you would like. So that's why you need to know the information from the user manual on how to put the information in and where to get it. Thanks for watching. We'll be back with another tip for AC and DC drives or PLCs. Thanks.